Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by turning on the live photo capability so the phone records motion. Open the camera app and switch to photo or motion photo. Tap the live/motion toggle in the top toolbar or go to settings camera and enable motion photo. Make sure your device has enough free storage and at least 10% battery so capture's complete. Once done, return to the camera screen and watch for the live icon. That confirms the phone will save a short clip with each shot. You're ready to record motion now. Frame your subject and keep a steady grip or use a small tripod because live photo records motion before and after the shutter press. Tap the shutter once, don't immediately move the phone, hold steady for about 1 to 2 seconds so the system captures smooth motion. After the shot, check the thumbnail in the lower corner. It should animate briefly. If you see motion in the preview, you succeeded. If not, repeat while reducing camera shake and keeping the subject moving. Finish by reviewing and exporting your live photo. Open the gallery and tap the live thumbnail to play. To trim or choose a keyframe, tap Edit and adjust the motion segment. Use Share to save as a GIF or short video for apps that don't support live photos. If the live feature isn't working, restart the phone, check for system or camera app updates, and make sure camera permissions and storage aren't restricted. That usually resolves missing motion captures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.